Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Sattva Group new launch project located in Parel. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. We will also give you a closer look to the land parcel later in this video. For now, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. The project is located right beside L&T Crescent Bay that you can see. From both the sides of the project, left and right, you can go towards the Eastern Express Highway and the Atal Setu. In this teaser, we will be getting into details like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now let me show you the actual land parcel of the project. From here, you can have a look at the actual land parcel where you can see the construction has already started. And now, speaking of the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 2.3 acres that will have 2 towers of ground plus 60 plus floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, you have Jodi options available. Speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Jirbaiwadia Road next to L&T Crescent Bay. Also talking about the connectivity, you can have a look that you can directly see the Atal Setu from the project, which is just less than 1 kilometers, and also you have Worli Shivri connector at a distance of less than 1 kilometer, Eastern Express Highway again at a distance of 1 kilometer, and upcoming metro station at a distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Before speaking about the amenities, let me tell you that I am standing right in front of the sales office of the project, which is under construction for now and will be ready soon. And now, speaking of amenities, this project will have 50 plus luxurious amenities that will include a swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, mini theatre, jogging track, kids play area and many more amenities spread across 70,000 square feet of carpet area, also spread across the ground, podium and the rooftop level also have a separate clubhouse. And now, speaking of the configurations and the carpet areas, as said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 750 to 810 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1100 to 1440 square feet. Also, speaking of the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 1 lakh for both 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. So everyone, this was the teaser of Sattva Group new launch project located in Parel, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.